Okay, this is the next morning, so we've already spent 3 nights in this camper van. Just stopped by for some fuel, and I haven't really changed that, which I will do later. Already washed up and whatnot, and we're ready to go. It's 6 a.m. and we're gonna hit the roads early today. We headed to Margaret River, which is about 1 hour and 35 minutes left, 139 kilometers. So you're gonna reach there around 8 a.m. So, alright man, let's get going. It's an early day, but I'm feeling fresh because we slept like 9:30 last night. Going straight, I think. Guys, we wanted to go from Pemberton to Margaret River, and then we realized that, hey man, why not go to Augusta as well? Since we're early, we might as well just hit Augusta, you know, clock about like 30-40 kilometers extra, and we get to see the shoreline. So it's really interesting, and we managed to find this small little parking spot here. This is temporary. I would say this is more like a lookout point where you can take photos and all that. Really beautiful. And where we're actually going to go is at the Lighthouse right over there. See that? There you go. We're gonna be going there right now. There's this little thing here. 1801, oh my. Captain Matthew Flinders commenced the mapping of the Australian coast. Oh, this is pretty significant. Yeah, it's pretty significant. I love it. We're gonna take some pictures and then we're gonna head to the lighthouse. Feeling cold?
Yes. Okay.
We are at the historic water wheel. Okay. Oh, okay, I get it. The wheel is right there. All the way it goes there. Okay, I know it's a bit rusty, but the look of it, it's a lot of historic presence in this little structure here. Hey, I'm not gonna tell you the history about this because I don't know. I suggest you guys Google it up. Check it out, water coming out. Right now we're at Margaret River, so it's a pretty good town. I didn't vlog back then because we're still trying to figure out where we want to go in Margaret River. So our first stop will be Vasse, sorry, I think it's a Vasse vineyard, something to do with the freeway name. So it's really beautiful, as you can see, this place. Of course, I don't drink here for wine, but I'm just gonna take some pictures. And we might want to use the toilet as well. We're done with the winery. Now we're headed to the chocolate factory. So I really hope there are some free samples. People have been raving about it. Margaret River Chocolate Factory. So I'm looking forward to that. We stopped by, we looked at the garden, and then, you know, I even changed some clothes, you know, did my hair and whatnot. And that's one of the advantages of having a home with you, right? So I really like that concept. So we're gonna head to the chocolate factory. Let's see. The trees. I better go back the same way I came from, so I'm just gonna reverse a while. Not good. Don't worry about it. Don't worry, it's just trees, branches.
Continue for 1 kilometer.
Alright, chocolate factory is right there. And they say parking for coaches is here. I'm not too sure. Maybe we can still park there. I don't think I classify as a coach. I mean, I think there's plenty of parking spots, so I'll be parking somewhere near here. Let's go and taste some free samples. Oh yeah! Let's go, kids. One of your favorite places.
Okay, I want to taste some samples. I know.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're at the Margaret River Chocolate Factory. Check this out. for the kids. It's gonna be a busy day today. So yeah, we're done with the Margaret River Chocolate Factory. It was right there. The chocolate actually tastes pretty good, but the thing is, the free sample we got is just for chocolates. There's no filling, no flavor, it's just plain chocolates. So there were 3 chocolate flavors. One is the dark, the standard, and then the white. We ended up buying some chocolates, you know, for family and stuff like that. We'll move on. We might want to hit either the beach or maybe the cave. We'll see. Alright, let's go. We're about to reach Surfers Point at Prevelly Beach. As you can see, it's really beautiful. Whoa, check out the front. Whoa, really nice. Wow. Just look at it. Check out the waves. Okay, perfect. Let's go down and take some pictures, man. It's gonna be amazing. Let's go. That is coral, bits and pieces of coral. Yeah, this looks like a ear. Looks like somebody's ear. Yeah, look, this looks like a tiny little ear of little dude. Maybe it's right here. Look at it. Here we are at the Ngilgi Cave, just in time. We've got 1 hour for the tour. We're gonna rush. Just in time. Pretty excited to see the limestone cave.
You guys know how to pronounce the cave's name?
Is it Ngigli?
Oh, it's a good guess. It's Ngilgi.
Ngilgi.
Yeah, so
Okay.
the first G is silent.
I see.
So you're walking on the cave right now.
Okay.
Big one. Yeah.
Wow.
And you're about to be going down 350 stairs.
Okay.
And then 350 back up, so 700 stairs today.
Sweet.
700 stairs? You'll be right. Also, kids, we just ask that you guys don't touch the crystals.
Don't touch anything, okay?
You heard that, Aris?
No touching anything, okay? No touching anything.
Just all limestones, right?
Yeah, limestone.
Limestone, okay.
Region.
Alright.
Okay, so down.
Oop. Ladies and gentlemen, not sure if you can see me, but it's really quiet. We're the last visitors. Check out the caves. The rest of them are the Tunnel of Doom. Basically, you go in and then there's a slide out. The weather here is fantastic because it's like really deep down. Level of oxygen is a bit higher here. Guys, this is how tight it is. Low headroom. Definitely not for my height. Let's go. Almost done with the cave. Oh yeah.
So noisy.
See, the water becomes like green. Okay, when the water touches, then it becomes green.
That's algae, right?
Yeah.
Yep, algae.
Yeah.
Can you get down? Okay, now we ended up in another place. I think it was very awesome. The caves is huge. Haven't seen any cave bigger than this. Beautiful, beautiful. Check this out. Beautiful. Imagine you're sleeping here and the beach view is right here. Beautiful. Alright, and we are here at Yallingup. It's like a beach place. So the thing is, we came out from the cave side and they were closing. The gates were closing, so we could not stay there and have our food. So we decided to just drive down to the beach side. It's Yallingup. It's a city of Bustleton, and we're gonna have lamb gravy. It's called achar gosh. Check it out. Oh yeah, nice and smoky. By my expert, the biryani queen. Oh yeah. Lizzie is still busy.
She's
As
busy
usual.
coloring.
Busy coloring. Look at her moody face. Lizzie, smile. Lizzie, smile for the camera. Say hi. Okay, stay tuned and watch out for more updates. And hope you're enjoying our Operation Down Under vlog. So stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't.